Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Microsoft Store error code 0x80131500. Page cannot be loaded. Please try again later. And it gives you two options to either report this problem or refresh the page. I would assume you guys have tried refreshing the page and you're still having the problem. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing you're going to do is open up the search menu, type in WS Reset. Best match will come back with WS Reset. Go ahead and open that up and give it a moment here. Once the Microsoft Store relaunches, hopefully that should have been able to troubleshoot and resolve your problem. If you're still having an issue, something else we can try here as well would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best match will come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once that is done, go ahead and close out of here, and then you want to restart your computer. And hopefully at this point you've resolved the Microsoft Store error code 0x80131500. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.